Hello everyone, this is Dr. Leela. Today I am going to discuss on Introduction to Theory of Production. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Production function. Production, it deals with engineering or we call them as technical tools which helps managers to answer questions that are complex in nature or to answer questions that are related to the production process. It is necessary that managers should have knowledge that how much need to be produced with given set of inputs. The main variable to be considered during the production process is cost. Manager always aims to produce optimum levels of output, that is, he focus on increasing the profits for the organization, and these profits can be increased by improving the organization efficiency or by increasing the factor productivities. The level of production mainly depends on the cost of production. Therefore, the study of production and cost analysis helps in making decisions in the areas like fixing price for the products, accepting or rejecting orders, whether to continue an existing product line or add new product to the product line, or increasing or decreasing the output of specific products, make or buy decision, or use of idle capacity or renting out idle capacity. The production is governed by certain laws of returns, and there are certain economies the firm enjoys because of its size. Always remember that production and cost analysis it focus on the supply side of the market. Production analysis it is done in physical terms, and physical output is related to the factors of production, and it studies least combination, that is least cost combination of factor inputs or factor productivities and returns to scale. Whereas cost analysis it is done in monetary terms, and manager looks into types of cost, determinants of cost, that is factors that are affecting the cost, and find cost function for using them in decision making. Production function is the technical relationship which reveals the maximum amount of output capable of being produced by each and every set of inputs. Therefore, managers always aims in producing optimum level of output, studies the production and cost analysis which helps in decision making. Terminology. What is the difference between production and loss of production? The difference is production, it shows the relationship between the quantity of input and possible output, whereas loss of production, it deals with the relationship between additional input and additional output. Production function, it is the technical relationship between the physical input and physical output of a firm at any period. That is, it shows the relationship between the output of a product and its input. The inputs are the factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, organization and technology. The output of an organization is a positive function of all the factors of production that are employed in its production process. That is, quantity of land, quantity of labor, quantity of capital, quantity of management, and the technology. Therefore, the relationship between input and output is represented in a mathematical formula, that is Q is equal to F of L1, L2, C, O, T. Q stands for quantity of production, F stands for function of, L1 stands for land, L2 stands for labor, C stands for capital, O stands for organization, and T stands for technology. These inputs are employed in the production process. Therefore, the production function, it shows the alternative combinations of the different factors of production that can produce a given output. Input and output relationship. Input and output relationship can be studied both under short run as well as long run conditions. In short run, only one variable is assumed, whereas in long run, the production function is based on two inputs. I will discuss study of short run and long run in next videos. Assumptions of production function. It is related to a specific period. Technical knowledge remains constant. Factors of production are divisible into most viable units and producer using the best technique. That is, this production function, it is related to a specific period, and whatever technical knowledge you are considering, that remains constant. The inputs are divisible into most viable units and producer uses the best technique where there is a lot of scope for efficiency, thus aiming to produce optimum level of output by optimum utilization of available resources. And one thing to remember that all the five factor inputs may not be equally important in all the situations. Depending on the situation, the relative importance of each factor varies. Thank you.